y'all, it's Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade salted caramel sauce. Now believe it or not, it only has 4 ingredients. We're going to start off with a medium pot on medium heat, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of white granulated sugar to it. So you'll want to stir this continuously over medium heat in your medium pots until it has turned into a melted amber liquid. First it will make clumps, and then it will turn into the amber liquid. And we don't want to walk away and leave it unattended because we're not making any burnt sugar today. We're going to make that one next week, so tune in. Okay, not really. But we are going to make some delicious homemade salted caramel sauce today. And it's started to turn into little lumps of sugar. And to the next step, liquefy. Alright, it has melted into this nice liquid amber color. I am going to add in 6 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to take my whisk and whisk it to melt it. Now once that is melted, you'll want to start drizzling in a half a cup of heavy cream, a little bit at a time. And once you've got that all added, you'll want to let this boil for 1 minute exactly. Now you'll want to remove it from the heat after the minute has passed. Now once you remove it from the heat, you'll want to add in 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a whisk. And that's it. You've just made homemade salted caramel sauce. Now you can use this right away. You can pour it in a bowl and eat it with a spoon. I won't tell. Or you can save it for later and cover it and put it in the refrigerator, and it will keep for a couple of weeks. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can also find me on social media. I'm Mrs. Happy Homemaker on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram, and I'm That Housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, it just wouldn't fit.